Okay guys, so now you should be able to see the power that we're building within Video Synd Alpha, and you can see why we're calling it Alpha of Video Syndication Tools, because it is something very unique, and you can see the uniqueness of our strategies coming through. You can see that I'm actually in the trenches doing this kind of stuff. Otherwise you can't make this kind of stuff up. It comes to you when you're actually doing SEO and not thinking. So, not trying to dream stuff up for a launch kind of thing. So, all of these tools being built in here together makes this an extremely powerful software combination of tools and combination of strategies. So we've got YouTube link rules of silos, we've got sharing site link rules, we're even link wheeling our YouTube link rules with link rules, okay? And then I showed you how to create basically essentially what is like PBNs with YouTube channel networks that are 100% safe, 100% allowed. You don't need hosting, you don't need domain names, you don't need all that kind of stuff. You don't need to hide footprints. You're actually exposing the weakness, the glaring opportunity that YouTube have given us by using the saved playlists, so that every time you upload a video to your YouTube channel, to your main channel, you can have hundreds of internal YouTube links, which is actually very powerful. Okay, so in this video we're going to talk about long tail syndication. Okay, now anybody that's familiar with my Web 2.0 Commando syndication system will know that what we do there is we use 3 elements of keywords. Okay, the 3 elements of keywords are modifiers, they are keywords, and they are either location or product name. Example, let me give you an example. Let me just pull something up here. Okay, so for modifiers, it could be kind of keywords. I don't know, man, I've got typos going on there. That'll drive me nuts if I don't fix it. For modifiers, we have things like affordable would be a modifier, top would be a modifier, best, affordable, top, best. What else we can put in there? We can put in children's, for example. We can put in, it'll make sense in a second, guys. Let's just see. So leave it there for now. Kind of lost my train of thought. Okay, so we can have keywords. So for example, we could have keywords, can be dentist, dentists, which is plural. Okay, dental, surgery. We can have dental surgeries, we can make it plural. Okay, for example, so we've got children dentist, children dental surgeries. Okay, affordable dentist, top dentist, best dentist. You can see how it comes together. So we've got modifiers, we've got keywords, and then we either have location or product name. So if it's a brand name like Canon, for example, if it's a camera, or if it's a car name, it would be BMW or something like that. Okay, but for this would need to be local, really, for dentist. So we can put in here for the location, and we can put in, for example, London. We can put in London with the postcode W1, for example. If it's in the W1 part of London, we can put in central London, which W1 would be. We can put in there something like, I'll just say Kensington. That's not exactly Kensington, London, for example. Okay, so then therefore what we've got is modifiers, keywords, and locations. Okay, what you're going to find then is we've got highly commercial intent keyword phrases being built out by using this combination. Okay, now nobody else has got tools doing this kind of stuff, guys. This is completely unique. This is very unique stuff, and this is the way to do it properly and to construct your keywords in a way that you're creating titles that are making perfect sense. Now I've got a hold of a keyword tool from Lisa Allen. Lisa's a very good friend of mine. She's a great lady, a fantastic SEO person, fantastic marketer, and she really does walk the walk. And she came up with this keyword tool, which I'm going to just borrow for a second for the purposes of doing the local places spinner that she's got in here. Okay, if you've never seen this tool before, go and check it out. It's actually not that expensive, and it does some fantastic stuff. And what we can do in here is we can put in here, for example, a target city, and we can say within near target city within 20 miles, and you can go and click on the search, and it will come back with some locations. I haven't tried it with UK before, but I did try it with USA. Typically what happens with people who submit press releases to Mass Media SEO, which is our press release company, we will go and create some syndication. Sorry, we're going to create some manual backlinks. That's not working for me for London. I would need to do that in a different way, not with this tool. But let's say we have, say St. Louis, and that's in Illinois, I believe, isn't it? Okay, so let's do that within 20 miles, and we'll see what comes up. We can use basically this tool to be able to get some idea of some other places that relevant or near to that particular city. Okay, I can even expand that out to 30 miles and click on search. Okay, and the good thing about this tool is it deduplicates. Okay, I can dedupe. Okay, so I don't have the same ones again and again. Right now, what we can do is we can add on the keyword phrases. Now, if I'm adding on the keyword phrases using this tool, it's not using the 3 elements, it's only using 2 elements. It's using the location and keyword, which is kind of a shame. If we had the modifier in there, it would be perfect. Okay, so what we could do then is put in things like dentist, dentists, dental surgery, dental surgeries. Okay, so now I can spin the keywords. Okay, and you can see here it's giving me the keywords first. Yeah, dentist, Afron, dentist, Afton, MO. Yeah, okay, so it's giving us all these combinations here. Not exactly how many I've got exactly, that's giving me a combination of 60. Okay, so I could actually use these myself if I wanted to go and create, you know, really long tail kinds of posts and things like that. Software does all that for you in Video Synd Alpha. Okay, it will do all that for you. So what will happen is, with those combinations, let me just open up this. We've got in here 4, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so what would happen is we would have 4 times 4 times 4 equals 4 times 4 is 16 times 4. Let's get the little calculator. We can do 16 times 4 equals 64 combinations in total. Okay, so 64 combinations is every possible combination of using these keyword elements together. So you'd have things like affordable dentist London, affordable dentists London, affordable dental surgery London, and then we'll go to the next one, affordable top dentist London, top dentist London, etc. Then it would go on to the top dentist London W1, central London, etc., etc. There's 64 different combinations. This is what the Video Synd Alpha Longtail Alpha does. Okay, Longtail Alpha being the strategy within that. Now, how we use that, you need to have the full version of Video Synd Alpha for this to work. Okay, how we use that is when we are using the Video Synd Alpha sharing sites. Okay, so for example, we really need to be using high amounts of accounts for this strategy. Okay, you need to be using high amounts of sharing site accounts, and it's going to run through all of those possible combinations, and it will tell you, it will go and post these for you, every single combination. Now, what we're doing with this, to take things even further, we're doing what I call the triple whammy. Okay, we're doing the triple whammy. Okay, so we're not just doing the video post with the video title, which you will need to put in some spun information as well for your video descriptions. But once we have done that, what we're going to do is we're going to go over to the bookmarks. Okay, the strategy is that you go over to the bookmarks and you come over to the bookmark section and you come in here to add the project. Okay, and to start social media posting. Okay, where you've got the title and stuff in here, what we're doing is whatever you have put in there for your combinations, for your long tail syndication combinations with the Video Synd Alpha sharing site distribution, they're automatically going to be pulled in here. Okay, they're automatically going to be pulled in here, they're going to be spun. Okay, that way you will get links going back to each one of those. You will get each one of those videos that you created bookmarked. Okay, what we're going to do then is we're going to take this spun concept of spinning again. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to spin a different version of that title inside the description. So let me try and explain this in a way that it's making sense. I might have confused you there. For example, if you've got a video done with Video Synd Alpha that says affordable dentist London, okay, that will be pulled in here for the title, affordable dentist London. You will have the URL for that particular video in here, okay. The description though will have a different one, okay. So what we can do in here, it can have, for example, affordable dentist London W1. It's a slightly different variation, okay. So what we're doing then is we're doing it in 3 different ways. You're getting the combination done with a video sharing site video. You're getting the title redone with social bookmark, and then you're getting a variation of that title in the description. So you're getting a triple whammy. Now, why is it important? Why am I making a big deal of this? Because what typically happens when you have competition for any particular sort of niche or keyword phrases, if it's dentists in London, for example, you will find people all competing for the same keyword. There's a huge amount of long tail keyword variations that people are just not trying to do because they don't have the resources to do them. This gives you the opportunity to be able to go and dominate for those particular keywords, and we're going to dominate in multiple ways because you're going to have the videos, you're going to have bookmarks, and the bookmarks is going to have the same title as what the long tail is. So for example, it could be affordable cosmetic dentist in London W1. Okay, nobody else is optimizing for that particular keyword phrase. You are going to be there on page 1, but you'll be there with the bookmark, you will be there with the video. And if your description in your bookmark has something like affordable dentist and not cosmetic dentist for London North W1s, for example, or London N1 or whatever, then it's going to be ranking for that as well. So if you want to use that combination as well inside your video descriptions, then that makes it perfect. Now, how we can do that, let's come back over to Lisa's tool again. We could, for example, let me take away this London ones in here. I just showed you for example. Say for example, I've got London, I've got Central London, Central London, and in here I've got London W1, and in here I've got Kensington London, for example. Okay, I'm just going to clear all that, and I've got all of these. So what I'll do is I'll spin the keywords, okay, and I can do it the opposite way around as well. I can do dentist London or London dentist, so I can spin it around the other way, spin the keywords. Now what I can do is I can take these, click all that, add to the list. It's not going to have any dips in there. I'm just going to go over here. I'm going to copy that. You can take this and you can put that into your video description. Okay, so when you're in Video Synd Alpha, yeah, and you're coming into the video section, you're adding a video, you've got this video description area which is spinnable, but you can put this in here as well. Okay, you can put that in here as well, and that makes that really powerful. Now, you can use these as well for tags, which is really good. Okay, and that just makes it really quick, really easy. So I'll see if we can build something kind of similar to that. Otherwise, I'll just recommend Lisa's tool for helping you to be able to get these sort of tags and things together. These are perfect for tags, perfect for putting in description. We can get away with sort of keyword stuffing with YouTube, and that's how that works. Okay, so you can see the long tail syndication strategy is extremely powerful. Okay, and if you use this with the triple whammy kind of thing, then you're going to be ranking for multiple keywords. Okay, just nobody else has got the resources to compete with you for that. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video.